You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of this traditional French dish, French recipe that includes veal and a white sauce based on milk, especially in butter. Blanquette de Veau, that's your French pronunciation here. Blanquette de Veau. Veau is French for meal, for veal. Blanquette is the recipe itself, the name of the dish. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say blanquette, or a bit like blanket really, blanquette, but insist more on the quette. Blanquette de Veau, Blanquette de Veau. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.